Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection box break number 56. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number on the box is NE189538453. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Hopefully I can pull something nice out of this pack. Start off with the base card for the Canadians of PK Subban, number 293 out of 399. We have an Ultimate Rookies for the Blackhawks of Jimmy Hayes, 259 out of 399. We have a nice hit for the Islanders. It's the Ultimate Signatures card of John Tavares. Nice hit for the Islanders. And then to finish it off, we have a beautiful patch. It's an Ultimate Debut Threads patch for the Predators of Jonathan Blum. Blum, I should say, sorry. 34 out of 100. It's a pretty sweet looking patch. Jonathan Blum, 34 out of 100. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.